Hello everyone, welcome back to Invest with Sanjeev KMR BJP. Today I am going to discuss about Pennant Pattern. Just I am sharing the screen. Just a moment. Pennant pattern is also a type of continuation pattern. Last Saturday I have published one video and that video was for flag pattern. This is the second type of continuation pattern, that is flag pattern. Now understand what is Pennant pattern. Share price was in uptrend. From here, selling started and share price falling. Again, you can see from this point, there is some support, share price moving upside. Now you can see the resistance is from here. Usually we see the resistance at this level, but in this case you can see selling started from here before going to share price here. Okay, so in this way share price moving in between resistance and support, and when you draw a trend line from resistance and support, you will get this kind of picture. This is a symmetrical triangle picture. So, and you can see here, this is the breakout candle. One thing is very important, volume of breakout candle should be big. So, pennant pattern looks like this picture. And in downtrend, when share price is in downtrend, here is support, share price moving upside. Again, selling started, moving down, and you draw a trend line, from resistance and support. The pennant pattern looks like here, both are same. But the case is here, share price was in uptrend, here is share price is in downtrend. After breakout, share price will be in same trend. Earlier here, you can see share price was in downtrend. After pennant pattern, again share price is in downtrend. Similar to flag, so, but there is one difference. You need to write in the comment below what is the difference in flag and pennant pattern. Appears after a sharp price move followed by converging trend line. This is the converging trend line. Converging trend line. Breakout usually happens in the direction of the prior trend. Breakout happens, prior trend was downtrend, and here prior trend was uptrend. Tip. Volume typically contracts during the pennant. Here in pennant, when share will be in consolidation phase, the volume will be low. But in breakout, well, volume will be big. So this is the pennant pattern. Next Saturday, I will give you the details of third types, that is triangle pattern. That's all from my side. If you found this video useful, please press the like button. And if you are serious and if you want to learn from me about stock market, either online or offline, please message me. My WhatsApp number is in description box. Thank you so much.